Hello, welcome to Reel to Reel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a basic treble. So a basic treble is what we learn when we first put on our hard shoes, which I'm wearing today. So we're going to get started. Point your toe, and the treble has two beats. First beat we're going to push out the way, so out, and then second beat we're going to push back the way, back, and then we're going to land it on the floor. To the side, I'll show you again. Push out, tip back and down. And each time I treble, my heel will never touch the floor. It's always the tip on your shoe. So tip, tip, land. Left foot, we're going to go tip, tip, land. To the side, we're going to go tip, tip, land. Once you get the basics of that treble down, then you can start to try and do it faster. So we're going to go a small bit faster this time. So tip, tip, down. Tip, tip, down. Tip, tip, down, tip, tip, down, tip, tip, down, tip, tip, down. And then once you can get it to that speed, you can then speed it up and put it in any dance you would like. Hope you enjoyed.